everybody. This is your white rabbit look. This is what I'm going to actually teach you how to do. So I apologize because I know that this is probably a little difficult to see. This is all, sorry, opposites. This is all purple along here, and in here this is all pink. And then I just did a really heavy black eyeliner. And if you notice, all around here is actually white face paint and silver pencil that I just drew whisker-like strokes so that it looks a little furry from far away. Then I have black on the tip of my nose, and I have really pink lipstick, which I think I have a little on my teeth. Okay, remember that trick I showed you? Gets rid of it. Okay, so what I did first is I primed my eyelid. Okay, and I used that L'Oreal Crease eyeshadow primer, and that's right here. Looks like that. Okay, so here we go. Take your fluffy shadow brush, and I took the lightest pink that I could find out of that E.L.F palette. Looks like this. I think there's like 52 of them in here. And I just went all over my eyelid. And you're going to go all the way up to your eyebrow. And in the inner corner of your eye, anywhere that you see open space, with the very lightest shade of pink you can find. And I'm going to go underneath my eye too, almost in a circle. It's going to look like around your eye. Okay, so now that you have a nice even coating of pink all along, now it's time to do the next color. So now you take a little bit darker of a pink, and I'm using this one right here. I'm just going to shade in that same circular pattern, but not all the way around my eye. I'm just going to go in a half circle, and all the way underneath.